Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Do you often eat chili peppers? This is a chili plant that I forgot on my rooftop for a long time. Because it was not cared for regularly, the plant showed many signs of weakness, such as yellow leaves, sparse branches, and dried, wilted fruits. But do not rush to throw away plants like this. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple method to propagate chili plants from the dried chili fruits already on the plant. Instead of throwing them away, we will use these dried fruits to collect seeds and grow many healthy young chili plants completely for free. With just a few easy steps using simple ingredients commonly available in the kitchen, anyone can do this at home. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any tips about caring for, growing, and propagating plants on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. First, wear gloves to prevent the sap and essential oils from the chili from causing burning or skin irritation during handling. After that, use pruning scissors to cut the chili peppers from the plant. Here, I will harvest 3 chili peppers. Next, use pruning scissors or a clean knife to gently cut open the chili and remove the seeds inside. Handle carefully so the seeds do not get crushed. Healthy and full seeds will have a higher germination rate and will produce stronger seedlings later. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Prepare a cup of warm water at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Next, soak all the chili seeds in the prepared water for 6 to 8 hours. This helps the seeds absorb enough moisture, soften the outer shell, and activate the germination process. As a result, the seeds can germinate faster, more evenly, and create favorable conditions for healthy seedling growth in the early stage. After 6 to 8 hours, remove the chili seeds from the warm water and place them on a clean sheet of paper or dry tissue. Then gently pat off the remaining water on the seed surface. This helps prevent excessive moisture during incubation, reduces the risk of mold, and creates favorable conditions for germination in the coming days. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. I will divide these seeds into 2 portions. First portion, prepare 2 small pots filled with planting soil. This soil is nutrient-rich, retains moisture well, and remains airy. Use your hand or a gardening tool to create a small hole on the soil surface. Next, use tweezers to gently place the chili seeds into the hole, then cover them with a thin layer of soil. This thin soil layer helps retain moisture around the seeds while creating favorable conditions for germination and growth in the coming days. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Then, use a spray bottle to gently mist the soil surface to keep it moist. This helps the seeds maintain the necessary moisture, creating favorable conditions for germination and helping seedlings grow strongly in the early stage. At this point, you only need to place the pot in a dry, airy place away from direct sunlight. For the remaining seeds, wrap them in moist tissue paper or clean paper towels. Then use a spray bottle to maintain moisture. This prevents the seeds from drying out during incubation, allowing them to absorb water, activate germination, and improve the germination rate in the following days. After approximately 2 months of care, from a tiny chili seed, the plant has grown into a healthy seedling with strong roots, a sturdy stem, and many healthy green leaves. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. At this point, prepare a larger pot so the plant has more space for root development and stronger growth. This pot already has drainage holes at the bottom. These holes help excess water drain out easily, reducing the risk of waterlogging and root rot. At the same time, they improve air circulation in the growing medium, creating favorable conditions for root development. Next, prepare the growing medium. I have a pot of soil like the one shown in the video. This is a pre-mixed combination of coconut coir and garden soil. This makes the growing medium looser, improves moisture retention, and still allows efficient drainage, creating a favorable environment for strong root development. First, wear gloves to maintain cleanliness and protect your hands during planting. Next, spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. This layer creates a stable foundation for the roots and helps the plant stand more firmly. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Gently remove the plastic pot from the plant, then place the plant in the center of the new pot so it stands upright and the roots are evenly distributed. Continue adding another layer of soil over and around the roots. This layer helps secure the plant, retain moisture for the roots, and create favorable conditions for growth. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. That is it. We have completed repotting the chili plant. The plant now has much more space to develop its roots, branches, leaves, and produce more flowers and fruits in the future. Place the plant in a dry, airy location with gentle light for approximately 3 days. This allows the plant time to rest, reduces transplant stress, and helps the roots stabilize and recover quickly. After 3 days, once the plant has stabilized, we will prepare a simple organic fertilizer for it. The first ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains small amounts of nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, and many natural organic compounds beneficial for plant growth. Prepare a clean glass cup. Then add 1 teaspoon of coffee. Next, pour approximately 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve the coffee while helping extract the nutrients and organic compounds into the solution more effectively. Use a spoon to stir well until the coffee is completely dissolved in the water. Stirring helps distribute the nutrients more evenly in the solution, creating better conditions for extraction. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for 1 hour so the nutrients have time to dissolve into the water. After 1 hour, when the solution has completely cooled, strain out all the residue and keep only the liquid extract for use. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Now, add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution. Dilution makes the concentration more suitable for the plant, allowing it to absorb nutrients gradually and safely, while reducing the risk of affecting the roots. First, pour the coffee solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the plant, as shown in the video. Watering with the coffee solution helps provide a small amount of organic nutrients to the soil, supports beneficial microorganisms, and creates favorable conditions for stronger root development. As a result, the plant can absorb water and nutrients more effectively, grow greener, and develop more steadily. When watering, pour the solution slowly around the root zone so the soil has enough time to absorb the moisture evenly, avoiding pouring too quickly and causing the liquid to overflow from the pot. Use only a moderate amount, just enough to moisten the soil around the base without making it waterlogged. Maintaining balanced moisture is very important because roots need both water and air to function properly. In addition, avoid pouring the solution directly onto the leaves or stem, especially if the mixture is still concentrated, to reduce the risk of residue buildup on the plant's surface. Pour the remaining solution into a clean spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. With this method, you can use the solution for about 3 to 5 days without making a new batch, which is very convenient for busy people. Whenever needed, simply take the solution out and gently spray it on the plants in your garden. This saves time, effort, and makes plant care much easier. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Results. After about 2 months of care, the chili plant grown from a tiny seed has developed impressively. From a seed that seemed lifeless, the plant has now formed a strong root system, a sturdy stem, and many new branches. Fresh green leaves continue to appear, making the plant lush and full of vitality. Thanks to proper care and regular nutrient supplementation, the plant grows faster, adapts better, and becomes healthier over time. Some plants have even started producing their first flower buds, signaling an upcoming harvest season. The most amazing part is that this entire process began with seeds taken from dried chili fruits that seemed to have no value left. With just a little patience and a few simple steps, you can grow healthy chili plants at home without buying seeds or seedlings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to support us. Thank you for spending your time watching. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.